All right, welcome back. This is the second video for 4.2 logarithmic functions. Now let's practice again writing the equation of these logarithmic equations in its equivalent exponential form. Then here we're also going to solve for x. This is a preview of what's to come in section 4.4 that we'll look at next time. So here the base is 2. We raise it to the power. The base is raised to the power. -6 is equal to x. Now, negative exponents mean that you're going to rewrite the base as its reciprocal, and the base becomes positive. So we have 1/2 to the 6th power equals x, and 1/2 raised to the 6th power is 1/64. So we solve for x as 1/64. Let's try this one here. Example B, log base 3 of x minus 5 equals 2. So the base, start with the base 3, and we raise it to the 2nd power and set it equal to x minus 5. Start with the base, raise to the 2nd power, set it equal to the x minus 5. When we know 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. We set that equal to x minus 5. And then we're going to solve for x by adding 5 to both sides, and x is equal to 14. You can also check your answers using the calculator by plugging it back into the original equation. Okay, let's talk about the common logarithmic function again. We have base 10, and the logarithmic function with base 10 is called the common logarithmic function. And the function f of x equals log base 10 of x is usually expressed as f of x equals log of x without the base written. So if you see log without a base, assume base 10. Okay, so going back to these examples, log of 10, this is asking the 10 raised to what power gives you 10? This is going to be 1. Here, the base again, that implies 10. 10 raised to what power gives you 1,000 is 3. Here, log of 1 is equal to 10 raised to what power gives you 1? That is 0. All of these, again, can be done using your calculator. So let's just do an example together using your calculator. Okay, the log button is right here. And here we don't have a base, but we assume it's 10 again. So let's do log of 1,000. And that gives you 3. We'll do one more, log of about 100,000. It's going to give you 5. A quick way to think about these is just count the number of zeros when you are applying logs of 1, and then we have 5 zeros here. So log of 10,000 is 5. Okay, let's go back to our main page and go to natural logarithmic function. And here the logarithmic function with base e is called the natural logarithmic function. And we usually express log base e of x as f of x equals ln of x. So just think of this as a shorthand form of log base e of x. So here are some common examples you may see. ln of e, this is here, if you rewrote it, log base e of what power gives you e. So e to what power gives you e? Well, in this case, it's 1. Here again, it's asking e to what power gives you 1? It's 0. And in this example, ln of e to the 3rd power, you're thinking about e to raise to what power is equal to e to the 3rd? Well, that's going to be 3. Again, your ln button is on your calculator. It's right beneath the log button. So if we do the third example, ln of e to the third is equal to 3. Okay. And we'll again pause here and continue with graphs of logarithmic functions in the next video.